Welcome to another video of Windows XP help. In this video, we're gonna read some troubleshooters. In this video, we're gonna read the troubleshooter. Since I set up troubleshooter, we try and we didn't even get some right results. We're going to start with startup shutdown troubleshooters. Let's read. Startup and shutdown troubleshooter. Important. Many predictions in this troubleshooter require you to restart your computer, which will close the troubleshooter. If possible, view this troubleshooter on another computer while you perform the steps on the computer where you are troubleshooting. To troubleshoot if no other computers are available. When you encounter a protector that requires you to restart your computer, right-click the page displayed on your screen, then click Print. Follow the steps described to print the copy of the protector. After your computer restarts, reopen this troubleshooter and answer each question as you answer immediately. When you reach the same protector again, answer the question at the bottom of the page, then click Next. What problem are you having? 1. When I start my computer, an error message appears. 2. My computer stops responding when I try to start Windows. Or 3. And 3. My computer stops responding when I try to shut down Windows. Today, we're gonna start with when I start my computer, an error message appears. Okay? Okay guys, this is right great in full screen. Okay, if you like it, okay. Configure Windows so that it does not load a file or service missing in the error message. Important. We're gonna skip the important message because I don't have anything else to say. It will be the same whenever the starting message appears. So let's continue. If the error message refers to a file or service, then the file or service might be listed on one of the tabs in the system configuration utility. If it's listed, turn it off. If not, click knob at the bottom of this page, then click the next button. To disable a file or service that using the system configuration utility, click Start and then click Run. In the open box, type msconfig, then click OK. Try to find the problematic file or service mentioning the error message within the system configuration utility. Click the system.ini, win.ini, startup or services start with F if necessary, expand a category. B. If you see an entry that refers to the file or service mentioned in the server message, click the checkbox next to that entry. Click OK then restart your computer when you're permitted to do so. Note. For more information about system configuration utility, start msconfig.exe as the described above, and then click the help button at the bottom left of the system configuration utility window. For more information about the files or service that's causing the problem, contact a Microsoft Product Support Services professional, for instance. For information about how to contact the support services professional, visit the Microsoft Product Support website at blah blah blah. If the original requirement matter of your computer installing Windows XP for you, you call them for assistance with the issue. Does disabling and ending the system configuration utility solve the problem? Answer one question. If you answer no, you continue reading the whole troubleshooter until you reach the end. If you click yes, you will end the troubleshooter. If you click I want to skip a step and try some else, it's just the same. Continue the troubleshooter until you finish. Once you reach the end of a flight, you will need to repeat the steps. So we recommend clicking no or I want to skip the step and try some else. To not waste our time, we'll click now option 1, which says no, I still receive an error message. Next. Is a startup in the installation file service causing the problem? The important dialog won't be read. because it's still the same as the previous. The starter or shutdown problem might be caused by a starter installation pilot service. Use the following predictor to determine if this is the case. 1. Start the MS config program. To start MS config, click Start, click Run in the open box, type MS config. Click OK and click the General tab. Click Select Installer, click the Load System Services checkbox and then click OK. Restart your computer to see if the problem still occurs. If your computer still haven't shut down correctly, then the cause of the problem might be related to your system services. To resolve this problem, proceed to the Troubleshoot System Services section below. If the problem is still occurring, then proceed to step 4. Start the MS config program, clear the load startup items checkbox and then click OK. Restart your computer to see the problems occurs. The other one thing to say is to troubleshoot starter items, which has still the same, except of the bold items make changes. If problem is still occurring, then proceed to step 6. Start MS config program, clear the process system NIIC file, then OK, restart blah blah blah. If your computer runs successfully to troubleshoot the system INI file, go to here. If the problem is still occurring, proceed to operate 8, blah blah blah. Start MS stores, clear the process INI file, restart the course. If your computer starts OK, read the troubleshoot INI file section. Hey, that's a quick. That's a quick, I don't know. If it doesn't work, go to step 10. Start the MS config, use boot or clear the process boot.ini checkbox and click OK. Note: you might not be able to clear the use original boot.ini checkbox if the boot.ini file has never been modified. If you cannot clear the use original boot.ini checkbox, then go to step 12. Blah blah blah. If the problem still occurs, go to step 12. We now go to the step 12 because this has big different meanings. 12. If you have reached this step, you have to determine that your starter or shutdown problem probably is not related to the starter in terms of files or services. Reset MS config to normal startup, restart your computer, click No, I still have a starter or shutdown problem below, and then click Next to continue troubleshooting. Let's expand all. Since the other information means that the same production, we need only one. Only two. To reset MS config to normal startup, start MS config, click normal startup, load all device drivers and services and click OK. Restart your computer. To troubleshoot system services, start MS config and then click Services tab. In the services list, make a note of any services that you are unchecked. Important: do not skip this step because you will need this information later. Click Disable All, click OK and then restart your computer. Start MS config and then click the tab. If the list of services, click the checkbox for a service to turn it on and then click OK. Restart your computer and then see if the problem occurs. Repeat steps 5 and 6 until the problem occurs. When the problem occurs, you will know that the last service you turned on is causing the problem. Make a note of the service, then proceed to step 8. Let's see what I've done. I guess I'm not having time to read the whole thing. So guys, that's the end of the video. Part 2 coming soon. Like, subscribe and turn on all the notifications. Bye bye.